Hi everybody, it's the Soap Man and it's time to make some soap. So today is the first full day of fall. I know yesterday technically was fall, but it's Friday. This is our first full day of fall. So I'm going to be making a fall soap. And yeah, I know I should have done it a month ago, so it'd be ready now. But I had a plan in mind, a design in mind to do today, and it was going to have piping on it because the soap is pretty simple, not much to it. And as I was mixing up everything, I realized I mixed out measurements for just the slab mold without piping. So I was kind of like, well, okay, what am I going to do? What am I going to do? While things were cooling down, I just decided to go ahead and do a fall soap today. So just a simple drop swirl. I'm going to have 4 colors. Red is Nurture Soap's Trial by Fire, which is the only red I use when I want a deep red. Then I'll be pouring green. And I am using a mixture of Brambleberry's Chrome Green Oxide and Nurture Soap's Green Vibrance. The Chrome Green Oxide will darken it a little bit, which I want. I'm having orange, which is Nurture Soap's Orange Vibrance, and Brambleberry's Tangerine Wow. That will give the orange a boost. And I'm also using Nurture Soap's Yellow Vibrance and Brambleberry's Fizzy Lemonade. That will give it just a little bit, it'll be more like a goldenrod color, fall color. So anyway, enough talk, let's get started. Oh, the fragrance. I'm also using a mixture of Brambleberry's Applejack Peel, which is a favorite. It's had really cinnamony, appley. Love it. It accelerates, but it's manageable, so I'll definitely stir it in, but I'm also mixing it with Crafter's Choice Orange Cranberry. Main reason is I ran out of Applejack Peel. I didn't have enough, and I have paired these two together, and they play well. It kind of tones the Applejack down and dilutes it, so the acceleration isn't quite as bad. So I have mixed them before. They pair very well together. Let's get started. Today is the day of mixing with all those color mixes and the fragrance mix. And because that, I have all of my colorants mixed in oil because some of those are powders and oxides and they don't mix well. They need to be predispersed, so I went ahead and just predispersed them all. So carefully pouring the lye water into the oils. I'm soaping at 85 degrees. Since I am working with a known accelerant in the fragrances, I am going to get the most basic emulsification I think I can get by with, and then I'll mix things up better. And that is all I'm going to do. So just divide this up equally among my 4 containers, and close is definitely good enough. So let's get our predispersed colors in here. This is our yellow with the colors mixed together. This is our orange with all the colors mixed together. Micas, I have no problem just hand stirring them in. They mix in so well with your soap, but these oxides and powdered colorants do not. They don't mix well without being predispersed, and I want to do as little stick blending as possible. There is our green mixture. And here is our trial by fire red. Okay, so I'm first going to hand stir these in, lightest to darkest, of course. So start with our yellow, and yeah, it looks good. I'm happy with that. Go to our green, and like that too. Get this nice vibrant orange. Looking good. And our red. And once again, looking like a Folgers coffee can, which it's supposed to. That's what I wanted. So I am going to hit these very quickly with the stick blender just to finish emulsifying our soap. Then I'm going to hand stir the fragrance in because I know the Applejack peel accelerates. Yes, I'm very pleased with the color palettes. So let's get our fragrance in and move quickly. Let's get this into the mold before it sets up on us. Once again, I'll pour in the order that they're lined up. So we'll start with a streak of our red. It's actually kind of runny right now. Not stick blending it was the key, and diluting it some with a well-behaving fragrance also helped. squirt of rubbing alcohol to prevent soda ash. And in 5 minutes, I'll squirt it again, put it on the heater to force it into a hot gel. But yeah, I like that color palette. Very nice. So that's what I have this evening, and I'll see y'all tomorrow for the cut. Thanks for watching. Alright, we're back to cut our soap, and so far what I can see, I'm pretty pleased with it. Really like the way the top turned out, so let's get right into it and see what we have. Yep. Very much what I was hoping for. Oh yeah, very nice. And since this is a long video, let me cut a few off this log and see what it looks like, and I'll save us a little bit of time, and then I'll of course put a picture of all the cut bars at the end like always. This one's going to look pretty much the same. So I am very pleased with these. And once again, I'll finish cutting those and I'll put a picture at the end of all the bars, but these turned out just exactly the way I'd hoped. And that's what I have this week. Hopefully next week I'll remember to measure out the right amount, and I'll do the one I intended to do this week that has some piping. So y'all stay safe and take good care of yourselves, and thanks for watching everybody. Bye.